Psalm 15. A writing of David. Keep me, O Lord, for I have hoped in you. I said to the Lord, You are my Lord, for you have no need of my goodness. On behalf of the saints that are in his land, he has magnified all his pleasure in them. Their weaknesses have been multiplied, afterward they hasted. I will by no means assemble their bloody meetings, neither will I make mention of their names, with my lips. The Lord is the portion of my inheritance and of my cup, you are he that restores my inheritance to me. The lines have fallen to me in the best places, yes, I have a most excellent heritage. I will bless the Lord who has instructed me, my reins too have chastened me even till night. I foresaw the Lord always before my face, for he is on my right hand, that I should not be moved. Therefore my heart rejoiced and my tongue exulted, moreover also my flesh shall rest in hope, because you will not leave my soul in hell, neither will you suffer your Holy One to see corruption. You have made known to me the ways of life, you will fill me with joy with your countenance, at your right hand there are delights